What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this video today I'll be talking about none other than the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. And I know this is an old foundation, but I just happen to have the chance to have it in my possession, and I mean, I love it beyond words. Love it. I see the reason why everybody recommend it and why it's so popular, because this foundation is like the I don't even know, bulletproof, everything that I can think of. Because when I use it, okay, first let me tell you about the product. So this is the box that it comes in. So all the information that's on here is on here as well. I have the shade Amber Honey, and that's it. Oh, focus camera. All right, I think it's not focusing, but the shade is Amber Honey and the number is 5N2, and it says stay in place makeup and it's intransferable, which is true. So it's long lasting. So you get one fluid ounce foundation, which is 30 milliliter, and this is the size that it comes in. So it's just like this. It kind of reminds me of some of those Avon nail polish bottles. So it's glass, so you know if it fall it will break. So yeah, I think this retails for $38 or $42, but I will put the exact price in the description bar down below. So yeah, and the foundation, the consistency, it's not thin, it's not thick, it's just like medium consistency, and I've been using it since I've had it, and I love how it feels on my face. It doesn't make my face heavy or cakey. My face feel natural, same. I can move, do everything like this. Because you know some makeup make you feel like you can't even move your face, but this one doesn't make you feel like that. And the color is okay, but one thing I noticed that it did give me a flashback when I used it a night ago. I don't remember which night it was, but I used it, I applied it in the night, and when I took the picture, I realized that the photo, I had a flashback in the photo. So in the daytime I did not experience no form of flashback. So I recommend this for daytime use, and it's full coverage, completely full coverage. But when I apply one layer of it to my face, because of the fact that I have a lot of acne scarring and hyperpigmentation, I have dark circles under my eyes, I can't use just one layer. I have to apply 2 layers, and when I apply the 2 layers, my face is flawless. I mean, extremely flawless, beyond flawless. Like, if I could have this skin every single day, I'll be the happiest person in the world. That's how this foundation makes me look, and it lasts all throughout the day, because I wore it just to test it out, and yes, it lasts long. I applied it in the morning around like 9, and then I took it off down in the evening around 8 o'clock. So it lasts very long, and I sweat because you know this is Jamaica, so the time hot like fire. I sweat throughout the day, and I don't see any shine, so it's mattifying. This foundation is really and truly mattifying, because throughout all of those sweat, you know, when you sweat, the oil going to build up, but no, I didn't have anything like that. So yeah, so that's a pro about the foundation. And it doesn't have a smell to it. So you know, sometimes some makeup products have a smell that kind of trigger your allergies and anything. No, this one, it doesn't have a smell to it, nothing at all. I really and truly love this product. I mean, like, it's a lot of, can I send one more? Like, seriously? Because it's so expensive. So with this now, it goes a long way. You just need a little bit, dab a little on your hand, or if you're doing a client, you put a little bit on your spatula. Not your spatula, you put a little bit on your mixing palette, and then you apply it to the person's face. But for you now, you can just dab it on your hand back and then apply it to your face, but make sure your hands are clean. And yeah, that's my thoughts on the foundation. I hope you guys picked up everything that you needed to know about it. And if there's any other thing, you can always leave me a comment under the comment section and ask me any question you want. DM me on Facebook, blah blah blah. All my information are listed in the description bar, and I will put a link down below where you can shop this product in particular. So make sure you check out the description bar, guys. And thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next one.